Hello students, in today's video we are going to see the solutions of miscellaneous exercise on chapter 1 sets. Question number 14. In a group of students, 100 students know Hindi, 50 know English, 25 know both. Each of the students know either Hindi or English. How many are there in the group? Either or. Either or means union. That group of students will be A union B. So either or means A union B. So this group of students will become A union B. They know either Hindi or English. So A union B is that. So 100 know Hindi, 50 know English, 25 know both. So let us take H, N of H as, what is N of H here? 100. Those who know, the number of students who know Hindi. N of English, we can take it as 50. Both, the word both in set language, the word both means intersection. Both is intersection. So both is given, that means N of H intersection E is given as 25. How many students are there in the group? So you have to just find A H union E or A union B, either or. So in a group of students, they all know either Hindi or English. So we have to just find H union E. So what is the formula? N of H union E, N of H plus N of E minus N of H intersection E. So N of H is 100, N of E is 50, minus both is 25. So 150 minus 25 is 125. So there are 125 students in the group. So how do you represent this in a Venn diagram? So first let us draw this Venn diagram. So always draw a rectangle that represents the universal set. Then you draw two intersecting circles. Then name the sets. So one is Hindi, or you can take it as A and B. Here H and E. Then to start, you have to first write intersection. 25 know both. So write 25 in the intersection. 100 know Hindi. This is the circle for Hindi. This is the region for Hindi. 25 know both. So remaining you have to write it here. That means from 100 you have to subtract this 25 and write it here. There is 75. You don't write 100 there. Don't write 100 here because the full circle is 100. Now similarly 50 know English. So 50 students know English. So the full circle is 50. You already written 25 here. So we started with the intersection. So already you have written 25. So here you should write 50 minus 25. So now add 75 plus 25, 100 plus 25. This full region is H union E. So just add these, you get 125, or we use this formula, we get 125. So there were 125 students in the group. Now question number 15. In a survey of 60 people, it was found 25 read the newspaper H, 26 read the newspaper T, 26 read the newspaper I, 9 read both H and I, newspaper H and I, 11 read both H and T, 8 read T and I, 3 read all the 3 newspapers. Find the number of people read at least. Again, the word at least is A union B. At least means A union B, but here there are 3 sets, so it is A union B union C we have to find. So when they ask you find at least, is nothing but union. Okay, these words are very important. Either or is union. At least is A union B union C. So let us write or represent all these first. Newspaper, how many read Hindi H? Number of H 25. Number of T 26. Number of people who read T, the newspaper T. Number of people who read the newspaper, I, is 26. H and I is 9. H and both, they read both. So and means intersection, both or and. Both represent intersection. Both means intersection. And also represent intersection. Similarly, H and T. How many? 11. T and I. How many read T and I? 8. Then 3 read all the newspapers. Number of people who read, that means you have to find A union, B union. There are 3 sets here. So we have to find A union, B union, C. And number of people who read, exactly 1. So let us see first how to represent this in a Venn diagram. So as usual, first draw the rectangle. So rectangle represents the universal set. Then draw 3 intersecting circles. Name it. First one is H, T and I. When you name it, always use capital letters. Sets always you have to represent capital letters. Now we start with the intersection of all the 3. How many? 3. So you have to write 3 here. Now we have to write intersection of T and I. Or you can write H and I, anything. T and I. T and I, 8, isn't it? So T and I is this part. Circle T and circle I are intersecting here. This part. Already you wrote 3. 3 is already there. You have to write 8. So you have to write 8 minus 3 here. Listen, we already wrote 3 here. This is equal to 8. So 8 minus 3 you should write here. So T and I is 8. 8 minus 3 you have to write 5. Next is H and T. So H is this circle, T is this circle. So already 3 is written. And you have to write 11. So already 3 is there. Remaining 8 you will write. So 8 plus 3 will give you 11. Next is H and I. H and I is this. H is this circle. I is this. So total is 9. So 9 minus 3 you should write 6 here. Okay. Now you should write n of H. What is n of H? 25. So this is a circle H. You already wrote 8, 3, 6. Add all this. 8 plus 3, 11. 11 plus 6, 17. 25 minus 17. 25 minus 17. From where you got 25? It is given n of H is 25. From where did you get 17? You have to add these 3. 8 plus 3, 11 plus 6, 17. So 25 minus 17, you have to write 8 here. T. What is T? Number of T given? 26. So this is a circle T. You already written here 8 plus 3, 11 plus 5, 16. So 26 is the total, minus 16 you should write here 10. 26 is n of T minus 8 plus 3, 11 plus 5, 16. That is equal to 10. Then I, 26. 26. So already you have written 6 plus 3, 9 plus 5, 14. So 26 minus 14. 26 minus 14 is equal to 12. Okay. So this is how you represent the Venn diagram. Now you can use the formula also. Now when you add all these values, when you add, you get A union B union C. When you add 8 plus 3 plus 6 plus 5 plus 10 plus 12 will give you A union B union C. You can use the Venn diagram or you can use this formula. N of H union T union I is N of H plus N of T plus N of I minus, first 3 plus then 3 minus. Minus what? H intersection T, then T intersection I, then I intersection H. The last one is plus N of intersection of all the 3. So if you write this, N of H is 25, N of T is 26, N of I is 26, H intersection I is 9, this is 11, 8 and 3. Add all these, subtract this, you get the answer 52. Okay, the same thing you will get when you add all these. Just add and check. all these values, 8 plus 8 plus 10 plus 3 plus 6 plus 5 plus 12. Add all this, 8 plus 8, 16 plus 10, 26, 29 plus 6, 35 plus 5, 40 plus 12, 52. So you can use either the formula or you can use the Venn diagram to find the value. Number of people who read exactly one newspaper. They're not reading any other paper. They're reading only one newspaper. So exactly one newspaper means you have to add this 8. This is the exactly one. They're not reading any other paper. Only one newspaper means add this 8, add this 10 and this 12. So 8 plus 10, 18 plus 12, 30. You draw the Venn diagram. It's very easy to find this. So just draw, and exactly one means only add these three places, 8 plus 10 plus 12, that is equal to 30. Next is question number 16. In a survey it was found 21 people like the product A, 26 like the product B, 29 like the product C, 14 like product A and B, 12 like C and A, 14 like B and C, 8 liked all the three. Find how many liked only C. So this part you have to find. So let us draw the Venn diagram. So how do you represent the Venn diagram? First you have to draw the rectangle that represents the universal set. Then you draw three intersecting circles, name A, B and C. Now what you should write first, 8 liked all the three. So put 8 in the middle. 14 liked B and C. 14 like B and C. B and C is this region. 14 you cannot write because you have already written 8. So 14 minus 8, what is that? 6. So you write 6 here. So B and C is 6. Now A and B is, how many like A and B? 14. So A and B is this region. Already you wrote 8 here. So 14 minus 8, again 6 here. A and C. How many like A and C? 12 like A and C. A and C is this region. A and C is this region. A and C. 12 we should write. Already 8 is there. So you have to write 12 minus 8, that is 4. You have to write it here. Now the set A. How many are there in the set A? 21. 21. The set A is 21. You should not write here 21. You have to add this and then subtract from 21. 21 minus 8 plus 4, 12 plus 6, 8. Write only 3 here. B. How many like the product B? 26. So you won't write 26 here. 26 minus 8 plus 6, 14 plus 6, 20. So what do you write here? 6. Then how many like the product C? 29. 29 minus 8 plus 4, 12 plus 6, 18. So what is that equal to? 11. So from the Venn diagram, who like the product C only is 11. Is 11. That is actually total is 29 minus all these intersections you have to subtract. 8 plus 4 plus 6. So that is equal to 29 minus 18. So you get 11. Thank you.